Good morning everyone, respected all the teachers and students who are present here. I am Soumya from 11C from GGIC Vijayanagar, Ghaziabad. Today I would like to thank Mrs. Priyanka Chakar who gave me the golden opportunity to present here. I am here to present a revolutionary idea, the electric pole guardian model. It is a safety system designed to save lives and protect communities during disasters. In today's world, natural disasters like flood, storms, or accidents like pole breakage can cause serious damages. But what if we can predict such damages immediately and alert everyone in time? Yes, our model exactly does. It detects, alert, and inform using a smart combination of simple but powerful components. It works using a transformer, a supply, a relay module, an Arduino, a GSM module, and tin paste. The transformer used by us to step down the high voltage of current to a usable level for our circuit. The supply is used to provide consistent power to the system. The Arduino is the brain of our model which processes the signals and decides what action to take. The relay module acts as a switch for the activating the buzzer and sending signals. The buzzer is used to produce loud alarm sound when danger is detected. The GSM module is used to send immediate SMS alerts to authorized or registered mobile number. The tin paste used creatively to set up a thin, breakable sensing line that detects pole bending or breakages. The features of our model is pole breakage detection. It means if the electric pole breaks, bends, it tilts, etc. The tin paste setup or vibration sensors will detect it instantly. The Arduino will trigger the relay module, the buzzer sounds aloud, and GSM module will send a warning message to the authorized by emergency services. Disaster alert system. In case of rising flood, water, earthquakes, or any heavy impacts, the system can sense usually presence or movement. The buzzer will automatically start ringing loudly to warn people nearby. Animal condition monitoring. If a cow or any domestic animal tied near the pole becomes unwell or collapses due to water level rise or accidents, special sensors attached to the pole will detect the abnormal motion. The system will immediately ring the buzzer and send a specific alert via SMS mentions animal distress detection. The advantages of our model is immediately warning, saves human and animal lives by quick alerts, automatic message sending, no manual operations needed to system automatically informs the right people, low cost and high SMS mentioning. The advantages of our model is immediately warning, saves human life and animal lives by quick alerts, automatic message sending, no manual operations needed. The system automatically informs the right people. Low cost but high impact. Simple components, life-saving innovation. Useful in villages and cities, especially helpful in rural areas, urban areas, and where animal safety is also important. The conclusion of our model was the electric pole guardian model is not just a project, but it is a small step towards creating smart villages and smart cities. It combines technology and compress, ensuring safety for both human and animal during emergencies. With further improvement, this system could be installed across the country to build a safe future. That's it. Thank you everyone.